Hola Vinaka everyone, it's your girl Amrita and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a video that I get a lot of requests on, which is my everyday makeup look. I would say this look is a mix of glam and everyday. Make sure you hit subscribe and the notification bell if you haven't already, and let's get started. I already did my skincare routine, so let's jump right in with primer. I am using the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Not only do I love the way this feels on my lips, but it also has SPF 15, which is great because I sometimes forget to put sunscreen on. Then, I prime my lips with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lips Primer. Now that we primed, I am going in with my favorite foundation, the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation using a damp beauty blender. This is perfect for when you do not know how long you are going to have makeup on. For example, one time I worked a 12-hour shift thinking that I was only going to work a 6-hour shift. And you know what? I just had to touch up my lips and that's it. I love not having to worry about touch-ups or if my makeup is getting cakey. Before I conceal, I am going in with the Tatcha The Perl in the shade Soft Light. It's an underweight and eye treatment. I use this on days where I look extra tired. It's really easy to use. You just put 3 little dots underneath your eyes and then swipe from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner. Then I conceal with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. I use this under the eyes in a triangle, spot conceal, and on my chin. A little bit really does go a long way. I like to get a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my foundation because I like to conceal and highlight. That's how I achieve my inner glow. I find this extremely useful for days where I only have like 10 minutes to get ready. I then set my face with the Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Funny story, I had bought this powder instead of my usual Becca powder. I was pleasantly surprised at this powder though in the beginning because it really did feel like a mist on your face. However, one day I forgot to close the lid all the way and that misty feature went away. So now it's like another setting powder, so that does suck, but at least it still does its job. Now I'm going to bronze with the ABH Powder Bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. I really like this bronzer because I can build up on it. I use it to both bronze and contour. When I contour, I make that funny, what is it called? A duck face, kissy face. When I do this, it shows you where your cheeks are and makes it easy to contour. I sweep a line and then push up the bronzer. If you're like me and accidentally put too much contour, just use your beauty blender and tap away like so. For the nose contour, I find a line where sunlight naturally hits my nose. I add bronzer around that in a rectangular shape. I also give my nostrils and the area above my lip. I add concealer to that natural highlighted area, as well as the sides of my nose, and above my lip. Now blend it all out. If you use too much concealer, no worries. Just use whatever you have left on your bronzer brush and just buff it all out. I then carve out my cheeks and the side of my nose with the same Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh powder. I also go around my nostrils and smile lines because it helps from making my nose look cakey. It does look weird, but trust me, it works. For eyebrows, I go in with the ABH Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. I use the ABH brush number 12, which is a dual-ended firm angled brush. I go in with the ABH Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown to fill in the little gaps that I missed with the pomade. I then like to set the ABH Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Chocolate. I love using this brow gel because it keeps my eyebrows in place. Since the brush in the brow gel is a little big, I go back in with the Brow Wiz spoolie to help comb the gel through my eyebrows. Once my eyebrows are done, I remove the powder from my face and apply blush. My go-to blush is Becca Luminous Blush in the shade Foxglove. With the blush, I actually just use very little since it is such a bright color. Now for my favorite part, the highlighter. I am using the ABH Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit in the shade Glow Getter. I am in love with this palette. I have been trying to get this palette for so long, and then my sister was able to surprise me with one for my birthday. I add highlight to the usual places on the cheekbone, in the V shape, on my nose, and on my chin. For mascara, I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. My eyelashes are pretty much already curled up, so when I apply mascara, I push and glide the wand through my lashes. I like to apply 2 layers, so I start with my top lashes, then apply to my bottom lashes, and go back up to my top lashes. This gives the mascara time to dry in between coats. For lips, I am going in with the Huda Beauty Matte Lipstick in the shade Interview. I like Huda's lipsticks, especially when I am on the go and don't have time to line my lips. I'm one of those people that likes to line their lips before going in with a lipstick or a lip gloss. The shape of the lipstick really helps to give it that look. I also like how buttery the formula is and how it just glides right onto your lips. I finish off my look with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and this is the final look. So let me know what you think. What are your go-to makeup products? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Binaka Vaka love you for watching. Until next time, mode.